Hey guys, welcome to my channel that is Cooking Diary, and I'm Divya. Today we are going to see this appetizing snack recipe which is crispy from outside and soft from inside. I used 2 potatoes for today's recipe. I am cutting into small pieces so that it gets boiled soon. Once your potato gets boiled, start mashing it into a paste-like consistency. I'm adding Kashmiri red chili powder, and even you can add normal red chili powder depending upon your spice level. Add the amount. I'm adding 2 to 3 teaspoons. I'm adding Maggie masala powder, which really gives a unique flavoring to the tikkis we are making. I forgot to record the clip where we add salt. After mixing, make small tikkis of the potato mixture. Now I'm just crushing the noodles into small pieces. Don't blend in mixer. Just crush with your hands or some bowl into small pieces. I use around 3 packets of Maggie noodles. Now I'm coating the tikkis with noodles. Be gentle handed with no pressure, or else your tikkis might get open or break. Coat the sides of the tikkis also. Once the oil gets hot, we will start frying our tikkis. I'm frying in medium flame. If you want, you can add more masalas as per your taste in the potato mixture. Don't fry tikkis or cutlets until it gets brown color. Take from the oil when it gets that goldenish color. The crispiness goes after some time, so when you are going to eat, make that time. This appetizer snack, all my family members and relatives really loved it. So I will say you also make and give to your family members and friends. They will surely like it. If you really like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share to your friends, which really helps me to think innovatively and upload videos for you. Now I'm going to put some peri peri masala on top of the tikkis, which really gives a boost to the tikki flavor. The links of the peri peri masala or all anything which I bought from online will be in the description bar below. Please try it once, and if good, please post the picture of it in the comment section below. If you like this video, like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you guys.